Welcome, MES students, and thank you for joining me today with Challenge 3 of the 5118 Rainbow Hunt. I'm very excited to share with you this week's challenge, which is going to be to create a rainbow cloud weaving. Weaving paper has been a favorite craft of mine since I was a kid. I really enjoyed cutting sheets of paper up, weaving them into different shapes, and creating a masterpiece. So what else can I share with you about weaving? Weaving is actually an art, and it has been practiced for 1,000 years. We even started making baskets. Do you know what they used to use to weave baskets? They used to weave with grass, twigs, shavings from barks of trees, and today we also weave baskets and clothes, blankets, and we use yarn, string, ribbon, even plastic bags. You can even make your own weave maker. All right, so let's begin to make a paper weave rainbow. What you're going to need is a white sheet of paper, 9 by 12, or something larger. It's better if you have a cardstock. It would be easier to weave the paper through. You need to find rainbow colors. You can use construction paper. So you will need to find the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, or purple and violet. And if you don't have colored paper around the house, you can paint a sheet of paper in the colors of a rainbow. And then you can cut them out, and you can use these color strips to weave into your cloud. If you don't have paint and you would like to make paint, you need food coloring, a half a cup of flour, a cup of water, a pinch of salt, and the directions on how to make your own paint at home you will find in this PowerPoint for Challenge 3. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we need is to draw a cloud. So the way I'm going to do that, I'm just going to draw bumpy lines on the edge of my paper. All right, turtle slow, taking my time with my pencil, telling my pencil where to go. So I'm in control. All right, so I have my cloud on my pencil I drew, and then I'm going to cut the cloud out. After I cut the cloud out, I am now going to fold the paper in half. When I fold the paper in half, I am going to draw 7 lines on my paper. You can get a ruler to do this, or if you'd like, you can just free draw your lines. So I'm going to draw 1 all the ways down to the fold, my second line all the ways down to the fold, my third line all the ways down to the fold, my fourth line to the fold, fifth line to the fold, sixth line to the fold, and draw my 7th line to the fold. I want you to notice that I did stop around a 1/2 inch to the bottom of my cloud. Okay, and I did that for a reason, because I don't want to cut straight through. The fold is here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to carefully cut each line, stopping again 1/2 inch to the bottom of my cloud. The lines, the slits don't have to be perfectly spaced apart, but just do your best. All right, after I do that, I'm going to open it very carefully, and you can see the slits that I have in my paper. I'm going to lay it flat. Now I'm ready to weave. I'm going to turn my cloud tall building way. It'll be easier for me to weave. And I'm going to start with my first color, purple, okay? I'm going to go under, over, just like a fish swimming through the water, okay, like this. So I'm going to start, gotta pick up my paper. I'm going to go under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. All right, I have my first color. My next one's going to be indigo. And since I started over, my next weave I'm going to start under. So under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and I'm done. And my next color, my rainbow, is indigo. I'm going to start over. It gets a little tricky. You may want someone to help you with this. Over, under, and I'm not going to do weave every single color. I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm going to do the first 3 colors here, okay? And as you can see, what this looks like here. Now let's look at the one that I've created. So I weaved each of the colors of the rainbow. The next step you would like to do is right up on top of each of the strips, you want to take a glue stick and place a little bit of glue there and push down. A little bit of glue, push it down to keep it intact, so when you display it, it doesn't fall apart. And then flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. A little bit of glue on each of the end of the color strips. All right, there we go. And we have our color rainbow cloud. Nice job. So don't forget to share your rainbow weaving with Mrs. A. I would love to see it. Take a photo, hang it outside or inside your window. Even post it on hashtag 518 Rainbow Hunt Facebook page. Looking forward to sharing Rainbow Challenge 4 with you next week. So till then, try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud today. Bye.